Hey, this is Liz from the Nail Hub. I am so excited to do a cover for Nails magazine, and of course, being a gel person, I absolutely wanted to do some gel stilettos. So basically, how I did these nails is I sculpted out stilettos on forms using my favorite gel, and then I went in with some different colors to kind of blend some things together for that snow cone look. So really, to do snow cones, you pretty much only need primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, because when you blend the colors together, you get, the oranges and the greens. You can add a little bit of purple if you want something darker, but as you mix the colors on the nail, it really starts to give you that gradation effect that you're looking for. So I added those primary colors and blended those on the nails. Some of them I left white because I did want more of a snow cone look. So I did all the color, and then I put down a layer of clear gel and I started to sprinkle some Swarovski crystal pixie into the nails, and I also applied a bunch of Swarovski crystals using my favorite gel products for that as well. So when I did the white nails, basically what I did is, instead of doing the color underneath, I did a white base and then sprinkled the crystal pixie over a wet layer of gel. And once that was cured, I actually went back with a mixture of the same color gels and alcohol to kind of get like a watercolor effect. And then I allowed the wet gel to drip in between the crystal pixie over the white nails to really make it look like a real snow cone. I played around with that for a couple weeks up until the cover and really decided that a true snow cone really is just shaved ice with the syrup poured over the top. So I wanted to do something similar for the actual cover nails as well. And of course, nothing is complete without a ton of Swarovski crystals and all that sparkle. So that's how I finished everything off.